up, y'all? In today's video, I'm going to be taking out my 5 weeks old invisible locks, long overdue. And I'm going to be detoxing my hair with apple cider vinegar and water for the very first time. I've actually never detoxed my hair, at least to my knowledge at least. I recently used a Vino shampoo and conditioner, and yeah, I got these nasty big dandruff. I don't normally have those. And you know what they say, if it's not broken, don't fix it. I don't even know why I changed my shampoo, but lesson learned. Yeah, so I did some research and found out that common reasons for dandruff can be a change in shampoo or your hair has too much oil. And this isn't even as bad as it was before I re-oiled my scalp.
Yes. Just one girl 2 years. Why? She has not about this.
For this part, I finger detangled my hair, and I didn't want to detangle it properly. I just wanted to take out the knots so that I can just spray some apple cider vinegar and the water in my hair until I was entirely done. I drenched my hair with the mixture despite me hating the scent. Oh my gosh. Oh. Anyways, but then I massaged it in my scalp, made sure that no part of my hair was missed. I rinsed out the ACV mixture out of my hair, and then there's two things that I use to detangle my hair. I would either use the 3-minute moisture from Aussie, or I would use aloe. And since I had the 3-minute Miracle Moist on hand, that's what I used. Back to the shampoo that my hair loves, and not to mention that it smells so good. When I put the conditioner in my hair, I always have the habit of putting my hair in baked twists. For me, I don't know, it's just more easier. I just like doing it. So I'll detangle my hair again, and then I'll put in baked twists, and then I'll rinse it out. Normally, I would just air dry my hair, but for the sake of this video, and because I needed a trim, I decided to use this Rev Air. I've had it for a few months and I absolutely love it. I forgot to record the part where I used my contour leave-in conditioner before I used the Rev Air. Personally, when I trim my hair, I'm not concerned about the shape. I'm more concerned about trimming what actually needs to be trimmed. In this video, I'm also using some new hair products from House of Organic Beauty. She's a YouTuber and she's also a natural hairstylist. You can find her under the same name, House of Organic Beauty, on YouTube. And what I'm using today is her hair butter and hair thickening oil. Not gonna lie, besides the products that I usually use in my hair, all the other products has my hair feeling nice. I'm actually gonna be using the apple cider vinegar in my hair routine from now on. I would wash my hair every 3 to 4 weeks, depending, like if I'm outside in the sun all the time, then I'll wash it every 3 weeks. Besides that, I wash it every 4 weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna be using the apple cider vinegar every month from now on. Although the scent is disgusting, y'all, I actually like the way it makes my hair feel, and not to mention the hair butter and the, I keep on forgetting the word, the hair butter and the hair thickening oil. I'll follow you up with the video in a few months' time to give you guys an update. Guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.